I'm going to show you now chicken, prawns, mushroom, rice. It's a savory rice that I'm going to do. Watch carefully how it's going to be. I have already cooked the rice. Rice I have cooked, that is either sambar rice, basmati rice, whatever rice you want. Plain rice, cook and keep it ready. I have taken about 500 grams of rice, cooked and kept. Now we will see what we are going to do. Now I am using a little bit of oil. About a tablespoon of oil I have taken. So once I take a tablespoon of oil, I will use onion, shredded onions. Can you see? Shredded onions I am using. Garlic, curry leaves. While I am tempering, I will use, if you like, you can use a little capsicum, red pepper, green pepper, whatever pepper you like you can use. I am using capsicum. Mushroom, whatever mushroom you like you can use. I am using this white mushroom, shiitake black mushroom, or any mushroom that you like you can use, and stir fry. While I am stir frying, dry herb oregano. Now I am going to use a bit of salt, a bit of chili pieces, if you like, not a lot. Pepper. I told you all that I have already cooked the rice and kept it. So, not too much of stir frying also. It's nice to have it like this. 1/3 of this rice I will put now. Okay. Now this part is over. That's the first portion. Feel so happy to prepare this type of cooking for you. Now the second portion of it, chicken. Can you see? I have taken the chicken with the bones. If you like, you can take with the bones or without the bones. That is left to you. Right? Take the chicken. I'm going to use turmeric for this. That's very important. Turmeric coming into this. A bit of salt. Pepper. Okay. Now what I am going to do is, there's a ground ingredients that I have got it. You know, ginger, garlic, onions. Ginger, garlic and onions I have taken here. Ground to a paste. At least half an hour you marinate and keep this. Before you could do all this, you can marinate this and keep it ready. Okay, and that's for about half an hour. A chicken cube if you like, just to get a good taste and flavor. Cooking this after half an hour. So when you can cook in its own juice, you can see almost the meat is getting cooked. Almost half cooked, isn't it? Yeah. Now what I am going to do is, no water. You can see that there is no water. It's almost dried up. Raw meat, water comes out, the water is dry. Now I will add a little oil. Any oil that you like, whatever oil, vegetable oil or whatever oil you use at home, you can use, there is no harm. Okay, now what I will do is, I will add a little water, put a little chili powder into that, chili pieces, I'll put a little bit of coriander leaves first. Now I am going to put the other portion. I have divided into 3 portions. Now this is the second portion which I am using. Just before we take off, I only put a little bit of coriander leaves. Now I'll put the balance coriander leaves also and just stir fry and take it off. Now I have got one layer of rice, so mushroom. Now I will put the second layer of rice with the chicken. Now the third layer I am going to put the little bit of oil again. Onions, shredded onions. You have to see the type of vegetables, onions which I am using. Chopped garlic, shredded onions, curry leaves I have put here. Rosemary, rosemary herb I am using into this. Now I will have to use, what are we going to use? Salt, pepper, chili pieces. More chili pieces I am using. That is the next one which I am going to do is the prawns. Lastly only you put the prawns. Never put the prawns early. Put the prawns lastly because prawn should not get cooked more than a minute. So you normally put a little bit. Lastly you put and it gets cooked in no time. Otherwise it becomes rubbery. I am adding the rice. The third portion of the rice. I would like to have a little bit of butter so that it will be nice to have it. Lastly, I am putting a little bit of butter into this. Either a little butter or a little bit of ghee you can use. That's left to you. Right. See how it looks. A bit of butter I put. If you like you can put. I didn't want to use oil after this. Now that is ready. Somebody comes home, it will be nice because I have done a nice tasty preparation of rice. That itself is nice. I don't think we need any other preparation along with that. Now, actually in the same pan I am cooking, but you can wash and cook or you can cook together. There is no problem at all. Just a bit of tomatoes I have put. I want only a little bit of butter, a bit of salt and pepper. Now what I am going to do is, you can see what I am doing. Only a few seconds I put. Like we don't need any other side dishes. As I have done is wholesome meal. What I am going to do is, I have some pineapple. If you like, not otherwise. If you like, you can use this pineapple also. Just slightly warm it up till the water goes off. Adding a little salt and pepper. No oil, butter, nothing. Just stir fry for a while. From the pine, if you like only, please remember, whatever you don't like, you can omit it. Okay. Only a little pepper and salt I put. No butter, nothing. Only the water has to dry up. Otherwise, food also will not get tasty. Can't keep for a long time. So we have to always remember, food is very important. We have to nicely cook this and see that that is in the middle. Parsley is very healthy. I hope you know about it. Parsley you can eat well. Don't throw it. Don't put aside. Curry leaves, parsley is very healthy, and we should always remember that those should be eaten. My rice is ready. I have got 3-layered rice with 3 different preparations that we have done with the delicious one. This is my wholesome meal, that is with rice and all these preparation together. We don't need a side dish. So you can try it out and see how it comes. You don't have to try it out. You make it and see, so that you will know whether it is nice, delicious or not. And I would like you to comment on it so that I will know whether this preparation is really good. Try it out and see how it comes, right? Because then only you have to subscribe and press the bell icon also. Not only that, but you have to always comment on it so that I will enjoy, and I can always think of preparing better than what we are doing now, and you will enjoy preparing. And healthy, wholesome meal is very important in our life. Try it out and see how it comes. Thank you for watching, and I hope you will enjoy preparing all these preparation, and see you next week with another episode. Bye from me now.